Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Once again I'm here with new recipe. So welcome you my channel Cooking with Nadeem. Today I'm gonna show you is how to make sandwich at home. Really, it will be same the restaurant style sandwich. It's really very easy to make at home with simple ingredients. So this sandwich is actually very good for health and then very quick can make at home within minutes. So I show you what ingredient we will be used for this sandwich. It's really very easy, you must try and then please get me feedback also, because I'm really thankful to you every time you just appreciate me and then you just encourage me for doing the different kind of cooking. So thank you so much. So come let's I show you what ingredient we will use for the sandwich. So friends, here today I'm gonna make chicken club sandwich. Chicken club sandwich is actually very famous all of the world. Children like this sandwich very much and then also the adults also like this sandwich. Really, it's very easy to make at home. I got some ingredients, so today I'm gonna show you what ingredient we will be used for chicken club sandwich. For chicken club sandwich we will use the boneless chicken. This one is I already boiled and cut in chop already, like small pieces. You can see it's like minced ready. I chop already. Because of this I will be make the chicken paste for club sandwich. And then here I'll be use the bread slice, the sandwich bread, and then here I will be use the Thousand Island sauce. Maybe next video I will show you how to make the Thousand Island sauce at home, and somehow I will show you so many the different kind of salad dressings very easy can make at home. So just only give me the feedback and then you can ask from comments and then I will show you in my next video how to make the salad dressings. Okay, so I will be use some cucumber. Here I cut the cucumber ready, peel and cut ready. Here I got the mozzarella cheese. This one is crushed already. You can use the cheese slice also. So here I got one boiled egg. You can use the fried egg also. It's really very, because all the world is got different type of some club sandwich, so I'm gonna show you one kind of club sandwich. It's really very easy to make at home. And here I will be use some tomato also. I cut in the round in the slice, and then also I got the different one also, but I will be use the sliced tomato in this sandwich. Here I got some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is the main part of this sandwich. So now we start the process how can make the club sandwich at home. It's really very easy. Please you see my video from until end, because you if like this you can skip the video, you can skip the point. So okay, please you watch my video, all the video, and then you know how to make the sandwich. Okay, let's start. So guys, here for first of all I will make the chicken paste with the mayonnaise and then bit of salt and pepper. So I just put in the chicken the bit of pepper, black pepper. I put the coarse one. It's really very nice flavor, will be nice flavor when you use the black pepper coarse. Don't use the powder form. It's actually different texture, so you use the coarse one. It's flavor wise which will be nice. And also need to put a bit of salt. You can use salt and pepper is according to your taste. And then I have to use the mayonnaise. I use the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And here I will be use the bit of full cream milk. Full cream milk is just only we have to put is 2 tablespoons also, because of mixing we can make the smooth paste. So now guys, we have to mix it well. So here guys, you can see our very nice chicken paste is ready. So now we have to put in the sandwich the bread slice and then can make the sandwich. So guys, here I take one slice of bread and then I toast already. This one is actually we have to toast, so I just only for saving the time I just toast the bread already. So this one I have to put the chicken paste. Chicken paste, just put like this. So now guys, you can see I put the chicken spread on the bread. So now I have to put another piece of the bread for the topping. So now here guys, I will use some cucumber and then tomato, and then here I will use the cheese. And then one slice of, and then also one slice of bread I put already the mayonnaise, and then we have to put like this. And then also now we on the top layer we also use the chicken paste. After that we have to put our boiled egg. Also, and then use the cucumber, and then one piece of tomato, here I will be use the Thousand Island sauce on the top. Just put like this. It will be really very nice flavor, so you must use this one sauce. And then you can if you don't have Thousand Island, you can use the mayonnaise only. So this one is just only one piece. Also just use the Thousand Island sauce. And then now we have to grill it here. So guys, here you can see I put the toothpick at the corner there, because all the inside the material this can hold. So like that the material will be not come out. So now we have to grill it, this sandwich. So here I got the pan I put ready. So now I have to grill it. So just only for 2 or 3 minutes, just only grill it, and then we can use, because it will be bit crispy. So now guys, I grilled already my sandwich, and then my cheese is also melt from inside. So now my cheese is melt ready, sandwich is grilled, and then now I have to cut this one. So guys, here I cut my sandwich already in 4 slices, because easier can eat. So I put some with french fries. It's really very nice sandwich, you must try. And then please take care. So guys, today I make the sandwich for you, club sandwich, chicken club sandwich. It's really very easy to home. If you want to see my new videos, please subscribe my channel, comments and like. Thank you so much. Take care yourself. Bye bye.